Hello friends, once more welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will discuss one more data structure and algorithm problem with you. So this is a very interesting problem again, not a very difficult one, but once we get to the concept of solving the problem, it would be very easy. Otherwise, uh, we can keep wondering how to solve it. Okay, so this is the problem about deleting the node from the linked list, and this is how the problem statement looks like. So basically it says that implement an algorithm to delete a node in the middle. There is any node apart from the first and last node and not necessarily the exact middle of a singly linked list. And the main condition where we have to pay attention is that uh, the linked list would be given so we would be having access only to that specific node. So suppose this is the example A, B, C, D, E, and we would be giving a reference to only the C node, and other than that we won't be having any reference of the linked list or whatever, and we have to delete this linked list from this node. So as you can see, the input would be A B C D E and output would be A B D E. So here is the example, and as I mentioned, I would be provided the link reference to the this specific node, and I need to delete it from the linked list. So how to delete it? So basically I would be the best way to remove it would be to one thing is like since we are having only reference to this specific node, I can't just uh, point the previous node, that is B, directly to the C, next node of C, D. That would be this thing we can't do, and it would be wrong to do. So what is the next option? So next option would be, why can't we just replace C with D? Okay, I will make it clear it to you how to do that. So to do that, I will replace the data in C, like C, this node, this specific node. Suppose I call it n dot data is equal to uh, first I will take the reference of this next node. So I would be having next equal to n dot next, and now n dot data would be uh, next dot data, and n dot next would be next dot next. So what exactly we are doing here is first of all I am keeping a reference of this next, element. Since I would be having this node which I want to remove, so I can easily get the next like this n dot next, and I'm considering the node which I want to delete. So n dot next would be the next node, and so n I would be replacing the data here, that is C with D. So this would be my um, new data at this place, and this is what I am doing here. And I would be pointing out this node to this. So basically I am removing this specific node. So my final output would be A, B, D, and E. So this would be my final output, and I would be returning basically true or false out of this method which I would be writing. So let's go and look at the code, how it would be looking like. So I would call my method as public bool delete node, and I would be having a reference to the node which I want to delete, and my linked list node looks something like this. So basically, since I need to delete only the first and last node, only the middle node, not the first and last node, so I need to keep a check here. So if any one of these is I'd be returning false, and if this condition is not satisfied, I would be keeping a reference to the next node of my node provided, and so I would be replacing the data of my current node with the next node, and I'll be replacing the next pointer, or basically the next reference, with the node next dot next, and I would be returning true. So this is all about this small algorithm. So the thing which we need to keep in mind is, though we don't have previous nodes of that specific node, but we do have the next node still, and we will be replacing the next node's data in the current node, and next node's next reference to the current node's next reference. So it would be it is basically a very easy algorithm to solve. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.